Hey guys, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, where you'll find everything you need to know all about cruising.
If you click on our playlist, you'll find over 400 videos, and they'll include things like cruise line information, ship tours and cabin tours, as well as dining packages and drink packages and much, much more.
As well as excursions and ports of call, tips and tricks to make your cruise organized, luggage and packing do's and don'ts, and actual vlogs of all the cruises we've been on.
Isn't that exciting? We have special video segments as well, like my cruise news, Frank and I's twice a month Q&As, as well as we live stream on YouTube the first calendar Sunday of every month.
And I have my own special video segments. Yup, Frank's Tales from the High Seas, where I talk about all the crazy, wacky things that happened to us, as well as my Frank Pushes Back, where I talk about hot topics of the day. And a new favorite I have, Frank's Cooking Corner, where I bring all my recipes to you.
Now you all are probably wondering, where else can you find us? You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Also, you can email us.
That's right.
You can email us all those questions about anything you need to know, and we might use it on a Q&A. Our email address is cruisingwithwheels@rochester.rr.com. So please click that subscribe button and become a regular Cruising with Wheels family member. Now, Frank and I always end our videos with something a little special for everyone. And it's kind of our catchphrase.
That's right.
So we want you all to remember to
travel safe
and cruise often.